Learn 10 smart English words in 3 minutes. Syllabus. A list of the topics, books, etc. that students should study in a particular subject at school or college. Example, have you checked the syllabus for our history class? Repeat after me. Tuition. The money that you pay to be taught, especially in a college or university. Example, the tuition fees have increased this year. Repeat after me. Assignment. A piece of work or a job that you are given to do. Example, I have a big assignment due on Friday. Repeat after me. Professor, a teacher of the highest rank in a department of a British university, or a teacher of high rank in an American university or college. Example, Professor Smith is an expert in medieval history. Repeat after me. Cafeteria. A restaurant where you choose and pay for your meal at a counter and carry it to a table. Example, let's meet in the cafeteria for lunch. Repeat after me. Dormitory. A large room containing many beds, for example, in a boarding school. Example, she lives in the university dormitory. Repeat after me. Extracurricular, not part of the usual course of work or studies at a school or college. Example, he participates in many extracurricular activities, including the debate club. Repeat after me. Plagiarism. The process or practice of using another person's ideas or work and pretending that it is your own. Example, plagiarism is a serious academic offense. Repeat after me. Scholarship. An amount of money given by a school, college, university, or other organization to pay for the studies of a person with great ability but little money. Example, she won a scholarship to study at Harvard. Repeat after me. Valedictorian. A student who has the highest grades in his or her graduating class in a U.S. high school or college, and who gives a speech at the graduation ceremony. Example, she was the valedictorian of her graduating class. Repeat after me. Here's a quick recap of the words you've learned. Subscribe to Vocab Genius Academy for daily English.